Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive subscribers and subbies, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, I want to show you this TN. I finally finished with it. Well, I can't even say I'm finished because I haven't created the pen loop for this gem pen or diamond pen that I'm going to add with this or include it with the TN. This paper is the Michaels open stock paper, and I have been dying to use this paper for so long. It is so pretty to me. Oh my god, I love it. I have white jump band. I have this dangle here. This is actually from Dollar Tree, and I just thought it was pretty, even though it has purple in it, and there's no purple in the TN paper itself. I thought it matched perfectly. I have some paper clips here. Do this, a bow, and that one says done. You can't see it back there. Let me move that back. So I'm going to go through this with you. And this is the one that I actually did a, what is it? A shaker, I'm going to say a shaker pocket that I actually love. I bought some sequins from Cartwright, and I just love it. Okay, here it is. And first of all, this is single-sided because my laminator doesn't laminate two papers or two cardstocks really well. But that's neither here nor there. I have this pocket here that I'm gonna put some things in. But this is my little shaker window or shaker pocket. Shaker window. Oh, I thought that was the cutest thing. I finally did a shaker almost right. But I only did this part because I didn't think that that would be enough to fill up or maybe make the whole sheet look good. So I just cut it off here, and I just put paper here, and it's just card from some cutouts that was in the vicinity of this paper. And here we go. This is the first signature. I just put this card on here, another cutout from some another paper. And the first signature is a lined or a ruled signature with do this paper clip here. And this says today is going to be was it awesome. And this other side says happy day. And like I said, this is a ruled signature. Well, all of the signatures are ruled. This is, oh, and this paper, this is the open cardstock too. The macaroons. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I love it. I just love it. And this one, another cutout, is make the world a better place. This paper right here is from, I think it's either meant to be fab or pretty in palms. I can't remember which one. But this is the other side of the shaker pocket, and this is the one that just has a little open one. I just put that paper there just because. And I have a hello paper clip on the back right here. This is the second signature. It has do something nice every day, and it has a bow clip on it right here. And this polka dot paper is totally gorgeous as well. Michaels open stock, and it is a ruled signature. This is the page marker. This is also some of Michael's open stock paper, and I just stuck some more cutouts that I have found in the same area. And this is where I want to put the, what is it, the pen loop, if I ever get a chance to do it. But isn't that paper gorgeous? I am going to make a TN out of this paper because I have another sheet, and that's what I'm going to do with that one. But I just thought it was too cute. Oh my god. This is the folder, and I'm not sure where this paper comes from either. It is either meant to be fab or pretty in palms. And this is the folder. This little weekly thing is from Playing with Shan, and there it is right there. And I will link put the link to her blog in the description box below, so check her out. And this is the third signature, which is also ruled, done, paperclip. That's the signature. And there's some more cutouts. I'm going to put some stickers, some planner type stickers. I have them some in the packs, so I'm just not sure how I'm gonna do it. I may even add some extra stuff for this. So I'm really, absolutely just loving this TN 5x7, and it's chunky. It's not a like chunky, but it's chunky. I love this. I love it, love it. It is so totally gorgeous to me. Alright guys, I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video and my TN, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments are greatly appreciated. Come back anytime and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye, love bugs.